Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. Recently, a new Australian Ministerial Direction on skilled worker visa processing was put into effect. The Ministerial Direction Number 105, which prioritizes skilled visa applications, demonstrates the Australian government's support for regional Australia. This instruction is an extension of the continuous efforts to improve the speed at which Australian skilled visas are processed. In order to further demonstrate its dedication to providing top-notch immigration services, the Australian government has budgeted $48.1 million for ongoing improvements to the administration of the visa program. What is Ministerial Direction Number 105? The Australian government has issued Ministerial Direction Number 105, which is a set of criteria that gives priority to some skilled visa applicants over others. This implies that you may be looking at a quicker processing period and a simpler route to realizing your Australian goal if your application fits into one of the prioritized categories. The goal of Ministerial Direction Number 105 is to draw in skilled laborers for industries like healthcare, information technology, and engineering, all of which are essential to Australia's economic expansion. You may benefit from quicker processing times if your line of work is included in one of these priority categories, since your application may be processed ahead of others. Your application procedure may be streamlined by the Australian government, which will need less paperwork and make the process easier for you. Also, your application might have a higher chance of getting approved. Key points of Ministerial Direction Number 105. The key point of this new visa policy include 1. Recognition of the need to simplify visa processing. The Australian government has recognized the need to simplify the visa application process for companies in regional Australia that are sponsoring skilled laborers. Applications for employer-sponsored visas in vocations located in regional Australia are given priority under this policy. It consists of the Employer Nomination Scheme, Subclass 186, the Temporary Skill Shortage Visa Subclass 482, and the Skilled Employer-Sponsored Regional Provisional Visa Subclass 494. 2. Prioritizing applications for certain occupations. Visa applications for jobs in the healthcare and education sectors will be given preference, with negligible effects on the duration of the processing period for these particular jobs. The list of occupations within these sectors that are prioritized have not been modified. 3. Priority given to sponsors that hold accredited status. In line with the Australian government's updated Certified Sponsorship Program strategy, funding preference will be granted to startups who have raised venture capital. In keeping with the government's aim to expediting procedures and creating routes to permanent residence, this is a change from the old practice of giving priority to offshore applications for permanent visas over onshore applications. 4. Removal of priority status of certain passport holders. Some qualified passport holders have their priority status withdrawn in an effort to increase overall efficiency. This covers Hong Kong citizens and British nationals residing abroad in each category. See the Skilled Visa Processing Priorities section of Australia Home Affairs official website for a comprehensive list of visa subclasses governed by Ministerial Direction Number 105. New Points-Based System. A new points system is introduced by Ministerial Direction Number 105 to prioritize applications for skilled visas. This implies that you may still receive additional points depending on your job history, credentials, and proficiency in English even if your profession isn't on the golden list. This new regulation may expedite and open doors for competent professionals in high-demand fields to enter Australia. A different avenue for success is provided by the points-based system, even if your line of work isn't prioritized. Possible challenges and restrictions. Ministerial Direction Number 105 may cause some people to question its fairness and openness, notwithstanding its advantages. Critics contend that it may be a disadvantage to competent individuals in non-priority occupations and result in a skills shortage in other industries. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.